All right, let me just test the waters here and see. Jay-Wit, I'm gonna take the sound from you, all right?
All right, all right, all right.
All right. Gotta give a shout out to my nephew, the Good Savage, Free Soul Music. Thanks for the track. And everybody that's been rocking with the pod. What's up? If you're searching for truth, then you know. Yo, chat. Yeah, you were searching for truth, so you know. Yo, chat. I went digging in the crates for the truth. Thought I found it, but I wasted my youth. 30 years in the field, and it feel kinda heavy, like I'm holding the weight of the moon. Like I'm cursed by the gods, but I'm searching, right? First things first, I slide. Pride to the side like a veil of a curtain, hanging off a curtain rod. Trying to let light in to my sight, but how could I be enlightened when I'm looking at life through the rolled up scroll of a whole bunch of ancient writings? Vision impaired, my decision to leave my religion was rare. Not as rare as I thought, cause the more that I talk, I found out my position was shared. There's a community, not usually like what we used to be. That wasn't unity, a eulogy for the old you and me. Brave souls take off the grave clothes. Alive in Christ is a lie that they told. I was alive since I was a day old. Kinda died inside when I gave God control. Taking my life back. Ain't got much time left here, so I might snap. I eat beats like sweet treats and write raps at night to sleep tight like they're nightcaps. Facts, so now I'm freestyling with these flutes like Andre 3000. Wildin', me and Mike's, we go together like food stamps and free housing. Ichabod's the squad name. I used to think I had to pick a side, so my aim was to evangelize. But now that I'm wise, if you watch, you can dodge the God games. Look, we don't play those tricks, man. We just put it down like kickstands, so you can lean on us to keep from falling for the lies and the kinds of Christians. We don't play those tricks, man. We just put it down like kickstands, so you can lean on us to keep from falling for the lies and the kinds of Christians. Check. I said it like this one time. Look, what we gonna do is put a rhyme together and make it shine so we can enjoy our time together. But if I find we really don't have the time to measure, then I resign and try to keep it inside forever.